All right, so here's our Arduino on our circuit. Here's it on our schematic. Then it goes into this switch, which is right here, and then down into the relay, which is this big thing that has a diode, kind of assumed diode inside of it. You can't really see it in here, but it's assumed to be inside. And this is going to give an output of 120 volts right here, and then it goes to go down into our normally on LED. That's going to be this one right here. So when there's no current going through 16 and 1, and when the switch is not pressed, those are the same thing, then this switch is going to be from 13 to 11, and this one's going to be on. So that's why it's normally on. Now, if we press the switch, you'll see that it turns off, and that's because now there's a current going through 16 and 1, which activates this coil, which activates a magnet, that the switch switches from 13 to 11 to 13 to 9. And now we have it going through this normally off LED, which are these two down here at the bottom. So when I'm not pressing, this one's on, and these two are off. When I'm pressing, these two turn on, this one turns off. And then finally, it just goes back into ground, just like this black wire is doing down here. So red wire into the switch, white wire into the relay, black wire back into ground. And then this last thing, this top right LED is the always on. It's not shown in our schematic, but